Oh my god, Cardano holder, this is real. Absolutely, my friend, this is real. You can see here this time Cardano price is starting increasing and absolutely gonna be very good profit now, and they will give you, I hope my brothers, they will give you a profit at the end of month. So let's get started a brand video. To in this video we discuss, my brother, the price prediction, the technical analysis, and also we share opinion to what experts says this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Let's see the price. Latest price, the current price 1.17 USD dollar, July 17 2021, and you can see here the time is at 0051 p.m. now. So let's see, my brothers, to what's going on, especially in this time. In the last 1 hour you can see here the coin is going to be profit now. Otherwise, my friend, last 24 hours you can see here minus 3.54% they are lost, and last 7 days minus 12.88% the price is decreased now. That's mean to last 7 days and last all month the coin is completely decreasing now, but the current condition is very good now, the starting moving upwards. So let's see, my brother, we predicate this coin to win and where, my friends, they will move upwards. So let's see, but kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel because ABS channel will guide you, update you every day, every time now. Alright, this time if you can see, my friend, the last 1 month chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely gonna show you, my brothers, to when they're moving upward, and can really there is a chance to they will moving upward, and absolutely, my friend, there is a 70% chance to they will wake up, because, my brother, especially short-term investors, sometimes they are starting selling and they will dumps down more and more, hour by hour, day by day, minute by minute. So therefore there is just an only 70% chance so they will wake up. But definitely, my friend, absolutely, if they will if the short-term investor are hold, and exactly, my friend, if long-term investor also hold, so they will move upward, and to the end they will give you $2. This is absolutely possible, my friends, to they will hit $2 at the end of month if they will continuously, my friend, moving upward 20% to 30%, just in only, my friend, in every hour result. So I hope they will complete $2. So holder, I will notify you to please hold it. Absolutely, those days especially all currencies fell down, but at the last 10 days of every month, my brother, in last 10 days every coin, especially like, my brother, Shiba coin, and last months, my friend, viral is going to be completely viral and they will move upward, but in those days they will fall down. But in last days this coin is also moving upward. So stable Cardano is one of the stable coin, and everybody know this is one of the stable coins, so they cannot fail down very fastly. Absolutely, they will moving down very slowly, and definitely when they started moving upward, so they will moving up like a rocket. So that's a really great, my friend, for all of you, especially for me, because I am also holder of Cardano. So I already invest now, and I have more plans, my friends, to invest more. And yes, one thing more I want to tell you, my brothers, to and those that, especially if you have any plan to invest more, so don't invest 3 days, my friend. After 3 days, go now and invest, and I hope, my brother, they will give you a very good profit. So what do you say, my brothers? Can really in upcoming time the price will increasing? I will tell you, my friend, there is 70% chance so they will move upward now, and the end of month every coin will move upward. So I will tell you to please hold it, and if you have any plan to invest, so at the end, my friend, especially last 10 days, invest now. I hope, my brother, if the end, if you said it, so I hope they will give you a good profit. Thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Hope you like this video. Please, if this video is for you and for Metro, so kindly like and subscribe. Alright, for more of this type videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.